Want to know how to quickly grow your Messenger bot subscribers so that ultimately you can sell more in your business? In this video, I'm going to walk you through the top 3 ways to quickly grow your Messenger bot subscriber base so that ultimately you can sell more in your business with a smart bot strategy. Hi there, I'm Heather Turbine of heatherturbine.com, and I help small business owners sell more with bots in their business. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified each and every week when I drop a new video on Messenger bot marketing tips and tricks. We dive into the top 3 ways you can grow your Messenger bot list. If you haven't already, be sure to hop on over and watch my How to Create a Facebook Messenger Bot Fast video so that you have the basics up and running of your bot before we dive into this sort of next level strategy of actually growing our subscriber base. Now, way number 1 of growing your Messenger bot subscribers is to convert your website visitors into subscribers. So how do we do this? In ManyChat, there is a tool. They have these overlay widget tools where you can actually put a pop-up slider over your website inviting folks to your Messenger bot. A couple of examples we're going to dive into right now. The first example is on my own website. On my own website, I have a pop-up overlay that invites folks to snag my Ultimate Messenger Marketing Getting Started guide, which is a guide that helps small business owners sell more in their biz with bots. I invite all my website visitors to get that guide through this pop-up overlay, and through the process, they become subscribers to my bot. That's example number 1. Example number 2, CannonOnlineMarketing.com. This is Tammy Cannon's website, and she has a pop-up overlay that invites visitors to her website to take her Facebook ads quiz. And this quiz helps folks know if they are a good candidate for her done-for-you Facebook ad services or if they are a better candidate for one of her DIY courses. So that is method number 1. We are going to convert our website visitors into our Messenger bot subscribers. The second way we are going to grow our Messenger bot subscribers is by using the comment growth tool with a Facebook post. So this is going to help us get our Facebook fans over onto our subscriber list. Let me explain what it is. So the comment growth tool is a tool that ManyChat has that means that anybody who comments on a particular selected post will actually become subscribers to your bot. It is super cool. Now, I really encourage, now it does not have to be a Facebook Live video post, but if you're already using live video in your business, then I really recommend using a Facebook Live in conjunction with the comment growth tool because of how algorithm friendly live video is right now. And you can invite folks on that live video to comment below, depending on what the topic of your video is, and then everybody who comments on that video will become subscribers to your bot, which is amazing because not only do you get new subscribers to your bot, but it also increases organic engagement on that Facebook Live as well. And if you haven't already, I encourage you to hop on over and watch my How to Use Facebook Live video with a Messenger bot tutorial that actually walks you through how to set this up. But this way we are getting our Facebook fans and folks that we hang out with over there subscribed to our bot. So that's the second way. And the third way we are going to grow our Messenger bot subscribers is by something I like to call the special invitation offer. And what it is you are going to put together something, it could be something you already have, a free checklist, an epic blog post, a training, maybe it's a special coupon offer for new customers. You're going to take that special offer and you're going to use a Messenger ref URL is what ManyChat likes to call it. And what this is a custom link that will be used to deliver that special offer. And so you can use this custom link anywhere you can share a link. So you're going to take that special offer, create the messenger ref URL, also known as a custom link, and then you're going to share that link on your social media, to your email list, in a blog post, anywhere you already have an audience. You're going to use that special invitation offer with that link to convert the audience that you have elsewhere into Messenger bot subscribers as well. Okay, now to recap the 3 ways that you can grow your Messenger bot subscribers quickly to ultimately sell more in your business with bots. Way number 1 is to use a website slider or a pop-up overlay to convert website visitors into bot subscribers. Number 2, we're going to use Facebook Live video with a comment growth tool so that we can convert our Facebook fans into Messenger bot subscribers. And the third way is by putting together a special invitation offer in conjunction with the messenger ref URL so that you can share that link and special offer with your social media fans, with your email list, with your blog followers, wherever you already have an audience. You can convert that audience into Messenger bot subscribers as well. If you want to learn even more about how to use the magic of Messenger bots to sell more in your business, then you'll want to hit the link below this video to download my Ultimate Messenger Marketing Getting Started Guide. It is the definitive guide designed to help small business owners like you sell more in your business with bots. If you're interested in joining a community of other like-minded entrepreneurs who are learning how to use messenger bots in their business, be sure to hop on over and join my completely free Messenger Bots community to get the support you need there. And if you liked this video, be sure to let me know by hitting the like button below, leaving me a comment, and sharing it with your friends. As always, I will be back here next week with a new video, and I can't wait to connect with you then.